The error code has started appearing on the display, and I will explain why this error occurs and what causes it. First, we will count the blinks. The operation light is the main indicator, while the timer light acts as the sub-indicator, helping us identify the specific error code in the unit. Now let's count the blinks. First, we count the operation light blinks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it blinks 6 times. Next, we count the timer light blinks. 1, 2, so it blinks 2 times. This means that the indoor fan motor is faulty, it has jammed, or its connector has become loose. Due to this issue, the unit will start displaying blinks as an error indication. Now, I will show you where the fan motor connector is located on the indoor PCB. This is the indoor unit PCB, and this red connector is the indoor fan motor connector. Now, I will remove it and show you where it is connected on the PCB. Check this connector to ensure it is not loose. If the connection is fine, but the fan motor still does not work, then the fan motor needs to be replaced. If the fan motor still doesn't work after replacement, it means the PCB is faulty. In that case, get the PCB repaired and the error will be resolved. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos, and subscribe. Thank you.